Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are doing some more unboxings. So today we are talking VIETRI. It is an Italian company and they make glassware and all type of stuff. Platters. I have a few of their chargers. I did a video maybe a year and a half, 2 years ago, and they're beautiful. They're just beautiful. So I needed some water glasses. So that's why we're doing this. And I'm seeing if these are great or not. So let's talk about it. We are talking about, well, you know what? I'm not sure which one is in which package. So let's open it and then we'll talk about it. How about that? But I think, let's talk about the highball glasses first because it says it on the packaging. All right, so I like highball glasses for water or juice because they're tall enough to kind of sometimes hold a full can of whatever soda I'm drinking or pop. My husband got me saying soda because he's from the East Coast, but I grew up saying pop. Anyone else say pop? Okay, maybe it's just me, but I'm from the Midwest. We say pop, so yes, whatever pop or soda I'm drinking. So let's talk about it. I got it in the clear. Now it does come in different colors, which is kind of cool, but it's called the Optical Clear Highball Glass and it retails for $24 a piece. And it says elegant lines and a substantial weight give the sense of timeless crystal in the optical clear highball glass. It holds 14 ounces, which is really great, and it's 5 by 5. Not 5 by 5, sorry, it's 5.5 inches tall. Now, it is dishwasher safe, but they recommend using a non-fragrant, non-citrus, non-abrasive detergent on the air dry cycle or econo heat when available. Okay, so maybe just water. I don't know. Just kidding, guys. It was funny. It is recommended to place the dishes so they avoid touching during the high pressure dishwashing, and as such we recommend you do not overload the dishwasher. All dishes should be dried thoroughly before being stored. Okay, so yeah, let's open it. That's all they have to say about it. Let's do it. Okay, I got two because, well, I want to see how they are before you commit to more. Well, before I commit to more. Here we go. Or maybe I didn't get two and I got four. Nope, I got four. All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh, it is a nice weight. Right here it's funny because it says hand wash only and made in Italy. You know, for those of you who watch my channel, you know I'm searching for words as to not to necessarily, it's not that it's bad. No, this isn't bad. It's not what I'm looking for. So what I'm looking for is, you know, you pour water in it and it's like this kind of restaurant feel, or it's this clarity type of glass. And this, if you weren't holding it, because it does have a bit of a weight on it, this could be like a picnic type of sort of glass to me. If I just saw it, I wouldn't think that this was a substantial glass. And that's what it kind of looks like. No, it's fine. And if you guys were looking at this glass and wondering if it's something that you should purchase, you know, and this is the type of glass that you're looking for, then but this isn't the type of glass that I per se was looking for, and that's okay. So no, it's substantial. It's a nice weight. It's not overly heavy, and the grooves in it is nice. So yeah, let's go to the next one. All right, these are the ones I'm really excited about, and these are the optical clear water glasses, and they retail for $29 a piece, and it says elegant lines and a substantial weight. I like stuff with weight on it. Like, it makes me feel like it's nicer. Same thing that I said in another video with my Michael Aram stuff. Some things, when you feel like it's heavy, it's like, oh, this must be a nice product because it's heavy. I don't know if I grew up that way or that's just, I don't know. Substantial weight give the sense of timeless crystal in the optical clear water glass. Now these hold 11 ounces and is 9.5 inches in height. And it says that they are dishwasher safe, but says the same thing that the other glasses said. So basically, keep them apart, and if you can, probably hand wash them, possibly. So yeah, let's open these up. I love unboxings because I feel like a kid in a candy store, like, it's happening. Okay, something I ordered, something I wanted is here, and let's see what it looks like. And I got 4 of these as well. Okay. Okay. No, these are pretty. Now, I like these for the glasses. Like I'll put juice in these. I'll still put my pop in this too. But underneath it says made in Italy. Oh, except this one says dishwasher safe. Yeah, that says dishwasher safe. So yes. So I like these. I almost got these during one Christmas in red. Like these come in red as well, which I'm sure are beautiful. But yes, they have a nice weight to them and they're pretty. They're not crystal, they're glass. So yeah, I like these, and I like the grooves on them too for this, but not for the highball. So yeah, let me get the highball back out so you can kind of see it. So again, not bad, just feels picnicky to me. I know that sounds bad, but it's not. It's just, it doesn't feel like I want to put this on a kind of dressy table, if I want a minimalistic dressy table. But that's just me, and maybe I don't get it yet, because I'm not an interior designer. But this is really pretty. I like these. So I hope that helps you guys. If it was something you were looking at, I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah, keeper for me. Yeah, I really like these. Or am I missing something? Tell me something in the comments, guys. Am I missing something with this glass? Or maybe juice glass? I don't know. Maybe, I don't know.